Okay, so welcome to this next training tutorial. We will learn how to change the layout of your page and add multiple apps. Let's get started. So here on one of my pages, which is a Flex editor, I'm going to select Actions, Edit Page, which will take me to this next section and where it allows me to change the layout. So once you've selected Actions, Edit Page, now I'm going to select on Manage Apps and Layout. And it brings us here. So here it allows you to start either changing the layout or adding apps. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the layout. Now all these options that you have here, nothing is permanent. You can always go back and change it as many times as you want. The one that I'm going to select will be the right sidebar, and I'm going to select Apply. So notice how now there's all these different boxes. All you have to do is just drag and drop the app in the order that you want them to be displayed. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add more apps. So I'm going to click on Add App. Now you're going to see a large selection of apps here, but we don't use all of them, and just because some of them don't work the way that we would expect them to. The ones that I definitely recommend are the Embed Code app. That's if you're adding a video to embed it on your website, you would need that one. The File Library, that's for any PDFs, any documents. Flex Editor, that's your basic page for text. Headlines and Features app. That is an amazing app if you want to display either announcements with an image, and then those announcements take you to a separate page. This is the one that you would want. Instead of using the link library, because the link library displays the entire URL, so instead of the link library, you could always use a Site Shortcuts app, which will only link the word and not display the entire URL. So there's a couple again that you can use for, and then the Upcoming Events app is the one that's goes hand in hand with the Calendar app. So today I'm going to select, since I already have a Flex editor, actually I might want another one for Contact Us. And I'm going to select, and you always want to say Create New. Unless you've already created a similar app on another page, then you can use that same one. But in this case, I'm going to select Create New, and I'm going to say Contact Us. So I've got another app now, and maybe that one I want it to be on my right. Maybe I want a link to. So I'm going to use the Site Shortcuts one. Create New. I'm going to call this one Quick Links. And then that's the one that I want. And then maybe at the end, I'll just have a File Library. Now this is usually the layout if you want to have a page that has your contact information and maybe one or two forms that are that parents are looking for. So in this case, I'm just going to select this one, Parent Forms. So now you drag and drop it in the order that you want, and then you select I'm done. So once you're done, you can start adding content. So let's start with this one, the Flex Editor app. Okay, so I've already had some text there. So I'm going to go back. Instead of clicking back on the section workspace, you can just click on that welcome page and it'll take you back to where you started. The next one would be Quick Links. So in this case, maybe I want to have this as a header. What you do is you go to Options. Here's where you would change the name of that app if you wanted to change it, and then you select Show the App Name on My Page and click on Save. So now we've got a header. Then you select New Link, and this one I'm going to say, I don't know, District Website. You copy and paste the URL, so I'm just going to select Copy, and I'm going to select Paste, click on Save, and now we've got a link there. I'm going to go back here to the welcome page. Contact Us. So Contact Us, I just made it into a Flex editor because maybe, again, I want to make my name link to my email address. So I highlight my name. Then I'm going to go here to the Insert Link. Remember to view my Flex editor tutorial. That way you can see all the features that the Flex editor has to offer. I'm going to select email address, and I'm just going to type in my email. You can copy and paste your URL as well. So that's my contact information, and again, Options, show the app name on my page so that it's displayed as a header. And then I'm going to click here back on that welcome page to do our last one. Options, maybe I just want to call it Forms in this case, show the app name on my page. Now here, anytime you use a file library, it'll ask you if you want to display all active records. Otherwise, it'll just show you 5 unless you change the number. So you always want to make sure that you check your settings here, then you click on Save. I'm going to add my file, so document 1. Remember, always select a PDF. Make sure you convert your documents to PDFs. Once you see it uploaded here, then you click on Save. So to view all of our changes, we're going to click on View Website, and we have our Programs section, Test, and that's the welcome page that we're working on, and the Contact Us information. It's very important to click on Save, so let's go back here and fix this part. So again, we did Cynthia Keel, we highlighted my name, email address, keelc@duvalschools.org. Then remember, click Save. And this is why I recommend Firefox browser, because with other browsers you might run into some of these issues. So now we've got, this is a page that I want to see, view website, and then there we go. Obviously, the more content that you add, the more that the information will just be pushed down. And that's how you change the layout of your page and add multiple apps. Thank you for watching.